The world of cryptocurrency can seem daunting at first glance. However, platforms like Binance make entering this exciting new market easier than ever before. Binance is like a bustling marketplace for digital currencies, offering a user-friendly interface and a vast array of cryptocurrencies to trade. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or exploring lesser-known altcoins, Binance provides a secure and accessible platform to begin your crypto journey. Think of Binance as a bridge connecting you to the global cryptocurrency market. With millions of users worldwide, Binance has established itself as a leader in the industry, known for its robust security measures and commitment to innovation. Binance's intuitive platform makes it easy for beginners to grasp the basics of trading. With its user-friendly design and comprehensive support, Binance empowers individuals of all experience levels to participate in the exciting world of crypto. Embarking on your Binance trading journey begins with creating a secure account. The process is simple and straightforward, designed to get you trading as quickly as possible. Head over to the Binance website and click on the register button to initiate the account creation process. You'll be prompted to provide a valid email address and create a strong password to protect your account. Once you've provided your email and chosen a secure password, Binance will send you a verification email. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Verification on Binance involves providing some basic personal information and uploading a clear photo of a government-issued ID. This process helps Binance comply with regulatory requirements and ensures a secure trading environment for all users. Congratulations on creating your Binance account. Now let's explore the platform itself. The key is to familiarize yourself with the layout and understand the function of each section. At the top, you'll usually find a navigation bar with tabs like Markets, Trade, Wallet, and Orders. The Markets tab is your go-to place to see all the different cryptocurrencies available for trading on Binance. The Trade tab is where the action happens, where you'll place your buy and sell orders. The Wallet tab is your control center for managing your funds, allowing you to deposit, withdraw, and view your cryptocurrency balances. Lastly, the Orders tab provides an overview of all your past and current trading orders. Familiarizing yourself with these basic sections will give you a solid foundation for navigating Binance with confidence. Now, let's delve into the heart of Binance spot trading, one of the most fundamental aspects of cryptocurrency exchanges. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at their current market price, with trades executed instantly. This means you can take advantage of market movements in real time. On Binance, spot trading takes place on the spot market, where orders are matched and executed in real time. This ensures that transactions are quick and efficient, providing a seamless trading experience. When you place a buy order, you're willing to purchase a specific cryptocurrency at the current market price. This is a straightforward way to acquire digital assets. Conversely, when you place a sell order, you're indicating your willingness to sell a cryptocurrency at the market price. This allows you to liquidate your holdings quickly. To illustrate, imagine you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT, Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This trading pair is one of the most popular on Binance. You would navigate to the Bitcoin USDT trading pair on Binance and place a buy order for the desired amount of Bitcoin. This process is user-friendly and can be done in just a few clicks. If there's a matching sell order on the order book, your trade will be executed instantly, and the Bitcoin will be added to your Binance wallet. This immediate execution is one of the key benefits of spot trading on Binance. Section 5. Funding your journey. Depositing funds into your Binance wallet. Before you can start trading on Binance, you'll need to fund your account. Binance offers a variety of methods for depositing funds, making it convenient for users worldwide to join the crypto market. These methods typically include bank transfers, credit or debit card purchases, and cryptocurrency transfers from external wallets. If you're new to cryptocurrency, the most straightforward way to fund your Binance account is often through a bank transfer. Another popular method is using a credit or debit card to purchase crypto directly on Binance, offering instant deposits. Binance also allows you to transfer cryptocurrencies from external wallets to your Binance wallet. This method is ideal if you already own cryptocurrencies and want to start trading them on the Binance platform. Section 6. Your first trade. Taking the plunge. With funds secured in your Binance wallet, you're ready to execute your first trade. This is a significant milestone in your trading journey. It's normal to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension at this stage. Embrace these emotions as they are part of the learning process. Remember, even seasoned traders started with their first trade. They too faced the same uncertainties and challenges. The key is to approach it with a clear mind and a well-defined plan. A solid strategy can make all the difference. Before placing your first trade, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved. Knowledge is your best ally in the trading world. Let's walk through a simple example of buying Bitcoin or BTC using USDT. This will give you a practical understanding of the process. First, navigate to the Markets tab and search for the BTC USDT trading pair. This is where you'll find the trading options for Bitcoin. You'll be presented with the trading chart and order book for this pair. Take your time to analyze the data and understand the market trends. Once you've familiarized yourself with the market conditions, it's time to place your order. Confidence comes from preparation. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, or the amount of USDT you want to spend, and click on the Buy BTC button to place your order. Congratulations, you've just made your first trade. Section 7. Knowledge is power, research, and risk management. While the thrill of potential profits in cryptocurrency trading can be alluring, it's crucial to approach this volatile market with a healthy dose of caution and a well-defined risk management strategy. Before diving headfirst into trading, take the time to educate yourself about the market, understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies, and develop a sound risk management plan. Research is your compass in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies. Delve deeper into the projects you're considering investing in. Read their white papers, understand their use cases, and assess their team's credibility. Risk management is the anchor that keeps your trading ship steady in stormy seas. Set realistic profit targets and stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Remember, a well-defined risk management strategy is not about eliminating risk altogether, but rather about managing it effectively. Section 8. Reading the Stars. Introduction to Technical Analysis. Technical analysis is like deciphering the language of the charts, looking for patterns and indicators that can provide insights into future price movements. It's a powerful tool used by traders to identify potential trading opportunities and make more informed decisions. One of the fundamental tools of technical analysis is the candlestick chart. Candlestick charts provide a visual representation of price action over a specific time frame. Each candlestick tells a story, revealing the opening, closing, high and low prices of an asset during that period. By analyzing the shapes and patterns formed by these candlesticks, traders can identify potential buying or selling opportunities. These patterns, along with other technical indicators, can help traders identify entry and exit points for their trades. Section 9. Beyond the charts. The power of fundamental analysis. While technical analysis focuses on the charts and historical price data, fundamental analysis delves deeper into the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency project. In the context of cryptocurrency, fundamental analysis involves assessing the underlying technology, team, adoption rate, and overall market sentiment surrounding a project. Start by examining the project's white paper, a document that outlines its goals, technology, and roadmap. Assess the team behind the project, their experience, expertise, and track record. Look into the project's use cases. What problems does it solve, and is there a real-world demand for its solutions? Consider the project's adoption rate. How widely is it being used, and is there a growing community behind it? Fundamental analysis is not a one-time task, but rather an ongoing process. Section 10. The journey begins. Embracing the learning curve. Entering the world of cryptocurrency trading can feel like embarking on an exciting adventure. There's always something new to learn, new strategies to explore, and new opportunities to discover. Embrace the learning curve and approach it with a curious and open mind. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience and confidence. Take advantage of the wealth of educational resources available online and offline. Join online communities, attend webinars, and connect with fellow traders to share knowledge and insights. Remember, cryptocurrency trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 11. Responsible trading safeguarding your investments. As you delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency trading, it's essential to prioritize the security of your investments and protect yourself from potential risks. The volatile nature of the market makes it crucial to stay vigilant and proactive. Start by enabling two-factor authentication on your Binance account and any other cryptocurrency platforms you use. This simple step can significantly enhance your account's security. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your mobile device in addition to your password when logging in. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Be cautious of phishing scams. These deceptive attempts can trick you into revealing sensitive information. Always double-check the URL of any website before entering your login details. Ensure the site is legitimate and secure. Remember, Binance will never ask for your password or private keys. If you receive such a request, it's likely a scam. While keeping a small amount on an exchange like Binance for trading purposes is acceptable, consider using a hardware wallet for maximum security. Hardware wallets store your private keys offline, making them less vulnerable to hacks. By taking these precautions, you can significantly minimize the risk of losing your hard-earned crypto assets. Stay informed, stay secure, and trade responsibly to safeguard your investments.